This week's episode is dedicated to the Burp It On initiative created by Jason Lloyd at Deseronto Public School in Canada. Our setting for our physical snack today is the 1956 Olympic rowing course in Ballarat, Australia. Our challenge for today, we're going to complete 7 burpees, followed by a wall sit for 30 seconds, and finally a 90-second run or jog on the spot. Our first activity will be our burpees. So once we complete our 7 burpees, we'll go straight into our 15-second rest. Are we ready? Let's go. Up high, into a push-up. Up high, into a push-up. Up high, into a push-up. Keep going. Last one. Well done. Shake it out. Have a bit of a rest. Our next activity coming up on the screen is our wall sits. Find somewhere, keep your back flat, get your bottom a little bit low to the ground, and stay in that position. 30 seconds. Let's go. Great job. Shake it out again. Getting ready to know our next activity, which is our running or walking on the spot. For this one, we're going to go for 90 seconds and we'll show the clock with 30 seconds to go. Awesome. Activity loop 1 complete. So we're ready to go back to our burpees. Just a reminder, up nice and tall, into a push-up. Up nice and tall, into a push-up. 7 times. Once we've finished our 7 times, go straight into your 15-second rest. Fantastic. Well done. Walk it out for 15 seconds. Next activity coming up, the wall sit. So go find your comfy spot on the wall, back flat against the wall. Staying still for the 30 seconds. Get into a nice crouch position. Try and focus on something that is dead in front of you. Almost there. Well done. Shake those legs out. Getting ready for our 90-second jog again. Find a pace that you can maintain. Not too fast, but then you may want to do a little sprint in between if you want. If you can't keep up with the pace, stop, have a walk for a bit, and get running again. Three, two, one. Well done. That's the end of activity loop number 2. So we are going back to our burpees again. You guys are amazing with your burpees. Remember, up tall, down into a push-up. Up tall, down into a push-up. We are going 7 burpees. Excellent work. Shake out those legs into our last wall sit. Go and find that comfy spot. Get yourself into your position, ready for 30 seconds. Okay, holding your position. Look straight ahead. Focus on something. Four, three, two, one. Getting ready for our run walk. Again, finding that pace that you can maintain. We're going for 90 seconds and we'll give you a 30-second countdown when we're almost done. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done, boys and girls. That's fantastic today. Our Burp-it-on challenge you have completed. Teachers, parents, if you want more information about the Burp-it-on, you can find it on the screen right now. And again, if you love these videos, be sure to give us the big thumbs up down below. And we will see you in our next episode.